Hello student, today we are starting the chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variable. What is the standard form of this equation is ax plus by is equal to c. Here the variables are 2, means x and y are the two variables. This is the example of linear equation in two variable. What are the algebraic methods of solving the simultaneous linear equation? There are the three methods to solve this problem. Means you have to find out the values of x and y by these three methods. First method is substitution method. Second is elimination method, and third is the cross multiplication method. In this video, we are going to solve the problem by substitution method by taking the example 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. Now you have to choose the simple equation so that you can eliminate one variable. You can eliminate x or y also. So I will start this equation with equation 2 to write down x plus 1 is equal to y. This is the very easy way to convert this variable. Means I represent y in the form of x plus 1. Means I can substitute this value in equation number 1. This is equation your number 1. From equation 2 you eliminate y in term of x plus y. Now I will substitute y is equal to x plus 1 in equation 1. So I will get the equation 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Now I will substitute the value of y here. So what will get 3x minus 5 into bracket x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now I will open the bracket. So what will come here? 3x minus 5x minus 5. Okay, 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into plus 1 is minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Okay, now 3x minus 5x means what will come here? 2x. Y plus minus is always minus. So 5 minus 3 is 2 and sign of the greater number. Okay, now minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Now I will substitute, transfer minus 5 to that side. So what will come? 2x minus 2x is equal to minus 1 plus 5. The answer is minus 2x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 divided by minus 2. Okay. So what will come the value of x? X is equal to minus 2. This is the value of x. Okay. Now this value of x is substituted in equation number. This equation you can write down as a. The value of x is equal to minus 2 in equation a. Okay, now x plus 1 is equal to y. This is your equation a. Now I will substitute the value of x. What will come here is minus 2 plus 1 is equal to y. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal to y, that is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 1. This is the value of y is minus 1. So I get the value of x as well as value of y. Therefore I can write down x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. These are the solutions of the given linear simultaneous equation in two variable. This is the method of substitution method. Okay, now you understand what is given here. Two equations are given I select the simple one to transfer this to eliminate the variable, then substitute the value in the given equation so that I can get the value of one variable. Then again I will substitute this value in the simple equation so that I will get the value of y. X is equal to -2 and y is equal to -1 is my correct answer. Okay, now we are going to the second problem, which is given as x plus 2y is equal to -1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So out of these two equations, my first equation is very simple. So I can convert this equation as x plus 2y is equal to -1. Okay, so I can transfer 2y to that side. So what will come here? -1 minus 2y. This is the value of x in terms of y. I will substitute x plus 2y is equal to -1. That is x is equal to, I will transfer this 2y to that side. So -1 minus 2y. This is my simple equation, that is I convert x in terms of y. So I assign this equation by a. So I can substitute this value in equation 2. So substitute value x is equal to -1 minus 2y in which equation? In equation 2, because I find out the value of x from equation number 1. Okay, now what is equation number 2 is given? 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, now I can substitute the value 2. What is the value of x is -1 minus 2y. Okay, minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, now I will open the bracket. So what will come here is -2 minus 4y minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, what will come here? -2 minus 4y minus 3y is -7y. Okay, very good. 12. Now I will transfer to that side. So 7y is equal to, what will come here? 12 plus 2 will come here. So -7y is equal to 14. Okay, so y is equal to 14 divided by -7. So what is the value of y? Y will come to be -2. Okay, now you will get the value of y. Okay, now this value I substitute in equation A. Now substitute y is equal to -2 in equation A. Okay, what is my equation A is x is equal to -1 minus 2y. Okay, now I am substituting the value of y here. -1 minus 2. Because of minus sign I am writing this inside the bracket. Okay, to avoid the inconvenience, -1 minus into minus is plus. 2 2 ja 4. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. So value of x is 3. So I get two values, means x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -2. These are the solutions of the given linear equation in two variables. Dear student, this is the home assignment for you. The following 5 problems are given here. To solve at home or in any queries, you can call me on the phone number given in the video.